Alright guys, this is Joseph from BJ's Garage or Young Bull's Garage. I haven't thought of the name like that yet, so we're just gonna work with this right now. But anyways, today I got all the body panels I was missing, the ones that needed replacing, such as the dash, the door panels, and a brand new seatbelt for the locked up one. So today I'll be installing all that. Stay tuned, keep watching, and let's see how this build just goes on. It's raining right now, but kind of had to do this. Look at the door panels, and here's the other door panel, and the rear ones are worn out. Switching them out for black door panels, and the dash is gonna be black like the original. But plus I got a brand new airbag for this, so the airbag light should be turning off. And also, look, there's the thing for this. This locked up seat belt right here, kind of stuck like this, is getting a replacement while I change this door panel. So stay tuned, guys. Keep watching. So when I put the door panel side to side, I see a few differences. There's some stuff up here on the new one, and the other one doesn't have it. So I'm gonna remove it. I don't think it's needed because stock door doesn't have it. So I'm gonna remove this and then put it onto the door. Other than that, everything else is exactly the same. Hold up. This one, yeah, exactly the same. After switching everything over, taking this out, the black door is ready to go back on. Let's see how good it looks. All right, now before fastening everything back down, I'm gonna turn on the car, see if the door works and everything. Okay. Everything works. We're good. We're back in business. All right, new door panel on. Looking good. Everything works. So we're set. Here's the final result. Looking good, huh? Since the weather's kind of bipolar, let's get this done. Need a flat head to lift this off. Trying not to break any clips. Forgot the fact that you had to pop these doors. All right. After a bit of fighting, got this door panel off, and now I'm checking with the new door panel to see the differences and what I need to switch over to this panel. So far, this piece seems to have like these doors seem to have this extra piece. I don't know what it's for. Maybe it's on from a newer car, so don't really need it because mine doesn't have it on top of here. So what I've been doing is removing them. Okay. All right, now I'm just gonna remove it and then try to throw the door panel back on. Alright, so my memory card got filled up. This camera stopped recording for a few. I'm gonna go inside in a minute and get another memory card. But I installed the new door panel, black and red. That joint look good. Alright, now since I'm done with the front, I just gotta work on the rear. And this is the old door panel. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might just sell it, because it still has the electronics on it and they all work. Now I just gotta put the seats down and replace the ones in the rear, including that seat belt right here. I'm gonna go inside and get a new memory card. Be right back. Alright guys, I will be attempting to take this door panel off. Truly don't know how to do that, but I'll try. Okay, seems pretty easy. Now there's a clip right behind here for the speaker. And that's done. Alright, now since I'm already here, I'm gonna remove this seatbelt completely. And some of this wiring that they got going through the car. Oh, snap. Star screwdriver. Alright guys, so I got that side panel out. Since I had it out, I decided to take out the seatbelt too. So far, took it out from the rail, took that piece off. So I'm just gonna do this off camera. It's the same thing as doing this side, so pretty much doing the same things except for I'm not replacing the seatbelt. This seatbelt works fine. Shoot. Let's see if it latches on. Might need a new seatbelt latch though, because I don't know what's up with this one. Alright, let's try it. Boom. Done. Driver's side has a new seatbelt. Time to get to this. Alright guys, so midway through recording, something got delivered. Can you guys guess in the comments what it is? Just know it's something I said I would order for the car. And it's here. And the box, it's ECS tuning. So drop in the comments what you think it is. I'm gonna just leave you off with that. Show you next episode.